Let's review these telescopic forks by Girla. I originally bought these extendable forks as a joke for a friend who's always picking food off everyone else's plates. But after trying them out, I discovered a number of practical uses too. You receive two stainless steel forks, and each is about 8.5 inches long, which is about the size of a normal dinner fork. But it can extend over 2 feet long, which makes it not only a great practical joke, but also has a number of practical uses around the house. The telescoping section is barely visible, and when retracted, it makes the prank even more effective. Think your food is safe, you can extend it and surprise your guests. The forks are easily retracted, and the handles are comfortable to hold. Now, besides the humor, I use them at parties to reach appetizers on the end of the table, pick up food on a buffet which may be out of reach, for cooking where you want to stay away from the flame, barbecuing. You can even use them to roast marshmallows. Just remember, they're made of steel and they will get hot if they're kept over a flame too long. As you can see, pretty stylish. Overall, we'll start out as a prank gift. Turned out to be more useful than I expected. You get two of these forks. They're easily clean as they're dishwasher safe, and they're guaranteed to get a reaction at the dinner table. That's why for me, they're a definite gotta get.